Welcome. This is my homemade electromechanical buzzer horn thing. Ignore this massive transformer. That's just because I don't want to run it on 120 volts. It would be scary because it's not loud, but it's noticeable.
That's why you should do it.
God, no, I will not, Keith. Okay, here we go. I could probably adjust it by adjusting this screw here. Give that a try. Yeah. If you'd like to see how it works, it's very simple. All it is it's a transformer that was cut in half, so only the primary remained. Then I drilled and tapped a hole down the center of it, installed a metal plate, and then the piece of tape on the side to hold it down. I'm going to be experimenting to make it more stable and not prone to changes in volume. So yeah, that's that.